Asuntoskeittiö Haukkalinna.
What was the address?
Päärtinpolku 4.
We also go to Stakers A here, we also go to the Stakers and the so.
Yeah.
It was in Takahosta, Tampere, Tampere, Finland, Finland. Capacity 3 purchased two photographs built in 1968 by Helsingin Hissi, originally very rare, and it was one of the best collectors in Finland.
Yeah.
Managed by Otis in 1998. Unfortunately, managed, but at least not Cherokee or anything else.
Yeah.
The number is 389 and the US number is B1 SY8520. Even though we are in Tampere.
Yeah.
But Tampere has also been officially bilingual, Swedish-Finnish, until 1929.
Yeah.
The ground floor was going to be green here.
Yeah. Pitbike vain sitten me eteenpäin Otis on näydessä gröttis.
And outside it has a green indicator, inside it's a red indicator.
Yeah.
That's it. Like your lamp is not working.
That's